Hello, Biafrans. I've come again this Biafra Battle Cry Channel TV. This evening, I will be bringing to you the two saboteurs that are.
He should make a fish in order on time. I be ankety. The thing I not eat saying, who eat saying deep, eat saying, Bazian, Nimebone question about by just how to solve question on time. This kind of family question, the leadership question, draw matters in the kind of red line, since draw matters in the kind of red line, since Abuna Malondina Yana look at the IPOB, then Nyanolo Nimenga until Amalo the leadership or recognize the Amalo message or question pass, a book question pass message. Once or realize it, for Yen move. And then
never dabble into the finance of the family. Brother, I want to dabble into the finance of the family. Family, do family go or account of family. What do they have money? We will dabble into their family. No, we don't do such a thing. I think I will have to read it together before they say it's a concocted story. Got it here. Let me on the light very well. This is supposed to be on very, very well. Look at it here. DOS should never dabble into the finance of the family. That is the family of Kano. Well, do we know the family? The answer is no. Unless man family can help you. Second, the third one, the first one, cancel accounts. Only care about we say, thunder fire anybody that will talk to DOS. We can cancel the one. Now let us do the second one. All sacked national coordinators appointed by Mazen Nandekan himself must be reinstated and with immediate effect. Okay, Sheba have reinstated here now. No be here with it. I ain't June na scrotum. All sacked national coordinators appointed by Mazen Nandekan himself must be reinstated with immediate effect. You know we are zombie. Or never had any order. All this will be reinstated. You know, glad the man that is struggling for his life. Yeah, when time bear concord what distance. It was started by Polytechnic naked abroad. Our sister, okay, my hider. How come my Polytechnic naked next to my school those days? I graduated from Futo. You know, and I get you know, our school those days were mainly men. That time when I had got this, I've heard now they have department that a biological department with women. That time all engineering the kind of.
I want to place it on record that our enemies are intensifying their attack against us from every corner. I am not saying this as lamentation or complaint. I am only trying to prepare our people for what is to come. You are being prepared for what is to come. The time has come to separate the chaff from the wheat itself. Our march is very, very near. The enemies are trembling, they are quaking, they are doing all they can to try to stop us. But they have failed very woefully, and they will continue to fail. But I want to tell you that we are getting attacks from everywhere all over the world. And very soon, they will buy over some of you. They will buy some of you over. The spirit of Obab, Yasika, and the Fajuna are still in some of you. When the time comes, they will buy you over. I am not doing this program tonight to ask all of you to be strong. I am doing it to remind you, not that if they succeed in buying you over, you're not going to stop what we're doing. You can't. You cannot. Not in a trillion years. But I need you to appreciate one very simple fact. That at the end of this very race, everybody will testify that indeed Chukwujika Abiyama, the same God of Israel, of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the same God of Inagulere, the same God of Umweri, The same God of Ora-Eri, the same God of Owe-Eri, the same God of Arochukwu. Not the true God, one true God. You will know that indeed, not only is he omnipotent, that same God is the owner of this very agitation. No human being can stop it. We have enemies, and we need to be very, very careful, both within and without. Very, very careful. The next 2 weeks will be very pivotal.
Ndeba na fight onwe ha. Icheke Nnamdi Kanu ihe mere ya bụ ndị Igbo ka o si n'aka. Icheke ya everything about Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ka esiri set ya o, ka esiri wudi aka ndị Igbo dia. Ndeba anyị nwere problem. But may God save us. Amen.
Of course, you must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making. And you must listen to him. Very, very important.
This new generation will get Biafra. Believe me, we will use everything available to us, and Biafra will come.
Take your best position. Rabu madaka chinere chigaka. Oya kemo shinara masi. Umu Chineke. Chineke chọrọ ịnụ ude mere unu. We are in the season of the miraculous.
So, Biafra, you can hear it that the enemy within are very terrible. They want to use the family of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu to balance the equation. They have collected money ready to serve the zoo. Actually, as you can see, the scripture said that the enemy, a man's enemy are the enemies of his household. So IPOB is like household, and people inside it are also wolves in the sheep clothing, as the scripture may say that where the children of Chukwokika gather, there is always wolves in the sheep clothing. So we have seen it today. They all gathered, conspiring against the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you have comment, please drop on the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I will bring another more video for you in a couple of time now. Okay, see you again. Bye.